Let me tell you how these 5 soaps changed my life. Are you looking for a fresh start? Well, Clean Slate is going to be your best friend to get there. Now, Clean Slate is a specialty car wash soap that basically removes any kind of waxes, glazes, and sealants from a vehicle's paintwork. It's that simple. Now, this right here, you would use it just like any traditional car wash soap. You can fill it in a foam can and a foam blaster, use a 2-bucket wash method, and you would just give it a regular wash as you normally would. Now, the biggest difference here is that whenever you use this product, you're not gonna get a high gloss shine, you're not gonna get a protective finish. This is actually gonna help you remove everything and anything that's sitting on your vehicle's paintwork. Now, I know a lot of you guys may be asking, why the hell would you even wanna do that? Well, the reason is because whenever you wanna start fresh, you wanna make sure that there's absolutely nothing sitting on your paintwork. You wanna apply a fresh coat of wax, you wanna make sure there's nothing on there. You wanna apply a glaze, a sealant, and even a ceramic coating. You wanna make sure that you're using Clean Slate, because if you're not, it's not gonna stick, it's not gonna bond, it's not gonna last very long. That sounded nice. That rolled right off the tongue. The next soap that's going to change your life is our all-new Mr. Pink Foam Party. Now, Mr. Pink Foam Party takes everything that you know and love about Mr. Pink and adds a wax element. So that wax element is gonna save you time, it's gonna save you effort, it's gonna add shine and protection as you wash. So you don't need to do anything crazy. This is a great maintenance car wash soap for if you have a wax on your vehicle or any kind of protective coating sitting on your vehicle. This is gonna just maintain that lustrous shine and boost the protection aspects of it while you wash your car. Do you have a ceramic coating on your vehicle? If you answered yes, that's awesome. But if you answered no, not to worry, because we got you covered with our Hydroset ceramic car wash soap. Now, if you couldn't put it together, Hydroset is a car wash soap with ceramic.
Boom!
Or should I say,
Boom!
Hydroset is going to boost any kind of protective coating that you have on your vehicle. So even if it's not a ceramic coating, if it's a wax, a sealant, or a glaze, this is intended to just boost it. Boost the shine, boost the protection, boost the hydrophobic properties, and the UV protection that you guys know and love about the Chemical Guys Hydro line of ceramics. This next soap is going to change the life of all you guys out there who own a vehicle that has a matte or satin finish. Now, that product is our Meticulous Matte Auto Wash. Now, one question I want to get out the way right now is, why would you need a specific soap for that type of finish? And I'll tell you why. The main reason is because this product contains no wax, no sealant, no ceramic, and no gloss enhancers. So the last thing that you want to do is add shine. You don't want to add any kind of shine to those finishes because it's going to make the finish look all blotchy. So the last thing that you want to use is a soap that contains a wax or any kind of gloss enhancers or even ceramic coating. You want to stay away from those products because you want your matte to stay matte and your satin looking satin. Got bugs? We've got the solution with our Bug and Tar Remover Wash. Now, Bug and Tar Remover Wash does everything in its name. It removes bug guts and tar in one easy step. Now, the great thing about this product is that it's a heavy-duty cleaner and it's concentrated, which means that you can dilute it to your specific needs. The way I like to do it is I like to dilute it in a separate sprayer bottle to a 6-to-1 ratio. I like to pre-saturate the areas by spraying it down before I get into my wash. And speaking of wash, the next way you can use it is in your traditional bucket wash method, or even if you're washing your vehicle with the foam cannon. You can use this product as an additive to your favorite Chemical Guys soap in your foam cannon or in a traditional bucket wash method, just to kind of give your car wash just a little bit more of a better cleaning power. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys wanna pick up these 5 soaps to change your life today, they're gonna be linked in the description and pinned comment down below. And as always, you can also find them at your local Detail Garage store. My name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, we'll see you next time.